Hi everybody, I'm Esther from Essy Cooks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a chickpea dill pickle salad. I'm having a hard time not saying pasta salad. This is inspired by a dill pickle pasta salad, which can be a barbecue favorite in the summertime if you love that dill pickle pasta salad flavor, but this is just a little spin on it, which has chickpeas in it, which are so great for providing energy and filling you up. I've got nothing against pasta, but this is just a new and creative way to try out a recipe with dill pickles for this summer. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to whip up my dressing in the same bowl that I'm going to add my salad into because I don't want to dirty two dishes, it just makes it easier. So we are going to start off with some vegan mayo. Now, I actually like using tahini in this dressing instead. So you'd put the same amount of tahini, but if you're not allergic to sesame, we've got a sesame allergy in town right now, so we're avoiding sesame. So I'm going to put in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegan mayo, but like I said, just use tahini instead if you'd rather do that. And then I'm going to put in a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. It's going to bind everything together and add a nice little bit of flavor. I am right down to the bottom of this Dijon here. There we go. Add in 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. If you don't have red wine vinegar, you can put 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. About half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And the secret ingredient is so random, but it's pickle juice. So if you have dill pickles, like these Bix dill pickles, this kind of thing, this is the perfect thing. So we're gonna put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of pickle juice in here. And of course, no salad dressing is complete without salt and pepper to taste. And some nice fresh ground black pepper. And I am just gonna whisk that all together right in the bowl. Just until all the ingredients are nice and combined. 2 19-ounce cans of chickpeas that have been rinsed and drained. I'm gonna add those right into the dressing. Perfect. This is gonna serve at least 6 people if you're having it as a side dish, maybe 4 if you're having it as a main dish for lunch or something like that. And now I'm gonna start chopping up all of my veggies here. So I've got about 3 ribs of celery, 1 whole cucumber, half of a red onion, and a 1/4 cup of fresh dill, which if you can get your hands on fresh dill, I would highly recommend it. If not, you can throw in about a teaspoon of dried dill instead. I'm gonna go ahead with my cucumber here. I'm gonna save the ends for my dog because she just loves cucumber. And I want these to be in fairly small pieces. You can cut them in any size that you like. Thing with my celery, I do want it to be pretty finely diced. I don't like hitting a huge piece of celery, so again, I'm going to lay it flat, cut it into about 3 strips lengthwise. And my onion, I'm just going to cut into thin little slices. I'm just going to thinly slice it like this. And last but certainly not least, we have our dill pickles. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop those nice and finely as well. Same kind of idea as how I've been cutting everything, just lay it flat, cut it lengthwise. Always watch your fingers. Now this bowl is a little bit fuller than expected, so I'm gonna have to toss this up very carefully. Okay, time for the taste test. Ooh, get a little bit of everything. That's so good, so refreshing, so summery. Honestly, I love pasta, but I actually like this chickpea version better than the dill pickle pasta salad. All right, thank you so much for watching this video on how to make this dill pickle chickpea salad, which is so perfect for summer. If you guys want to see more recipe ideas like this, I put out 2 new recipes every single week, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below for more like this.